Morning children, already we have completed our chapter, Our Wonderful Body. Today we can do the exercise, page number 164 and 165. Before that, I'll tell you a certain points, important points once again. The brain, heart, lungs, stomach are inside our body that we cannot see. Some of the body parts that we can see, which are the head, eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs. Then, our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are hard, muscles are soft. Muscles help our bones to move. Bones and muscles become strong when we eat healthy food and exercise every day. We must have a correct posture. Keeping all these points in our mind, we can do the exercise. Look at here, let us answer the first option. A. Tick the correct answer. ശരിയായ വാക്കുകൾ ടിക്ക് ഇടുക, അതായത് ശരിയായ ഉത്തരം ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. Question number 1. We can see the head, lungs, brain. Among these three, which organ we can see head? Your answer is option A, head. Spelling H-E-A-T. Question number 2. Keep your fingers all of you under question number 2, children. This pumps blood to all parts of our body. നമ്മുടെ ശരീരത്തിന്റെ എല്ലാ ഭാഗത്തേക്കും ബ്ലഡ് എത്തിക്കുന്നത് ഏത് ഓർഗനാണ്? Heart. What's the answer? Heart. The spelling H-E-A-R-T. Here 3 options are here, but you put a tick mark for the correct option B. Question number 3. These help the bones to move. Answers are here: skin, stomach, muscles. Your answer is muscles. These help the bones to move. എന്താണ് നമ്മളെ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്? Muscles. Option C. Once again, I will tell you the answer. Question number 1. We can see the head. Option A, answer. Question number 2. This pumps blood to all parts of our body. Your answer, heart. Option B. Question number 3. These help the bones to move. Your answer, muscles. Option C. Next one. B. Look at here. Right, true for T for true or F for false. ശരിയായതിന് T എന്നും തെറ്റായ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റിന് F എന്നും എഴുതുക. Question number 1. The brain helps us to think. What is the meaning of that sentence? The brain helps us to think. നമ്മളുടെ ബ്രെയിൻ ആണ് നമ്മളെ ചിന്തിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്. ശരിയല്ലേ? The answer is true. Question number 2. The stomach helps to breathe. Stomach ആണ് നമ്മളെ ശ്വസിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നത്. No, that statement is false. Question number 3. There are more than 600 bones in our body. Once again, you read this statement. There are more than 600 bones in our body. ശരിയാണോ? അല്ലല്ലോ. More than 600 bones നമ്മുടെ ശരീരത്തിലുണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല. So your statement is false. So you have to write here false. Question number 4. Muscles and bones helps us to swim. നമ്മളുടെ മസിൽസും ബോൺസും നീന്തുവാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. ശരിയല്ലേ? So your answer is true. Question number 5. We should sit straight and walk upright. ശരിയായ രീതിയിൽ ഇരിക്കുകയും നടക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുക. Your answer is true. Once again, I will read all the answers. Keep the fingers, children. Question number 1. The brain helps us to think. The answer is true. Question number 2. The stomach helps us to breathe. False. Question number 3. There are more than 600 bones in our body. False. Question number 4. Muscles and bones helps us to swim. True. Question number 5. We should sit straight and walk upright. True. Now you take your page number 165. Look at here. C. Fill in the blanks. Choose the words from the box. വിട്ടുപോയ ഭാഗത്ത് ശരിയായ ഉത്തരം ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൽ നിന്ന് എടുത്ത് എഴുതി കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക ആ സെന്റൻസസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ. The head protects the brain. Answer is given there. You need to write. Question number 2. Bones and dash gives shape to our body. നമ്മുടെ ശരീരത്തിന് ബോൺസും പിന്നെ ഏതും കൂടിയാണ് ഷേപ്പ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. Your answer is muscles. Spelling MUSCLES. Bones and muscles give shape to our body. Question number 3. Dash covers the bones and muscles. നമ്മുടെ ബോൺസിനെയും മസിൽസിനെയും എന്താണ് കവർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്? Your answer is skin. The spelling of skin is SKIN. I read the sentence. Skin covers the bones and muscles. Question number 4. Muscles are fixed to the dash. Your answer is bones. Spelling BONES. Question number 5. We must sit and stand dash straight. Your answer is straight. Spelling STRAIGHT. Okay, once again I will read all the question plus answer. Question number 1. The head protects the brain. Question number 2. Bones and muscles give shape to our body. Question number 3. Skin covers the bones and muscles. Question number 4. Muscles are fixed to the bones. Question number 5. We must sit and stand straight. I read the spelling once again. The first one, head. What's the spelling of head? HEAD. Question number 2. Muscles. MUSCLES. Question number 3. Skin. SKIN. Question number 4. Bones. BONES. 5. Straight. STRAIGHT. Okay, now answer these questions. Here 4 questions have given. We have to answer for that. First question. Look at the board, all of you here. Write the names of some body parts that we cannot see. നമ്മൾക്ക് കാണുവാൻ സാധിക്കാത്ത ബോഡി പാർട്സ് ഏതെല്ലാമാണ്? ആൻസർ: the brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some body parts that we cannot see. Once again I will read it. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some body parts that we cannot see. Question number 2. What do the lungs do? Once again, what do the lungs do? എന്താണ് നമ്മുടെ lungs ചെയ്യുന്നത്? The lungs helps us to breathe. ശ്വസിക്കുവാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. The lungs helps us to breathe. Once again I will read the question. Write the names of body parts that we cannot see. Answer: the brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some body parts that we cannot see. Question number 2. What do the lungs do? Answer: the lungs helps us to breathe. See children, write all these in your notebook and you have to study also. Thank you. We will meet you in the next class.